Well, during the pandemic, it was really hard on everyone, and we all became really time restricted at some point. And even to run the operations and keep the lights on, people had to invest a lot of their personal time in running the operations and make the business going. So we put that kind of insight at the very core of our change program and said, how about there is a way with robotic process automation that you can earn something for yourself and you can make a day last 25 hours. So that was that was the fun element that we really put at the core of the change program, and then people kind of felt the excitement for it, and they saw actually a way that they can also personally improve themselves and upskill and reskill themselves. But then, so once we did that, we in fact reached around 1,000 of our employees through serious webinars and hackathons with it. So they accepted the challenge, but then to keep it going and to reinforce them, by the end of the year, we launched a second challenge to keep the excitement and fun element live. We said, okay, 25% of our pipeline, we want to make sure by the end of 22, our citizen developers are handling those, and they are going live by the year end. And then another thing we wanted to make sure is that once a process is encompasses certain FTE savings or certain number of transactions, it's a big process. And the development time and the test effort is, larger than the others. So those simpler processes or medium complexity processes, we wanted to improve our lead time, so our time to market. And that's why we wanted to make sure we're investing in the citizen developer program so that we can decrease our RPA time to market by 10 to 15% in terms of days to go live.